Good morning, everybody. This is Chandni Mahajan from Celestial Energies with yet another video about pick up a card reading. Today, the card reading is pertaining to whether I'll be able to settle overseas after my education or not. So let's focus on the piles. I have again chosen three piles of a cards. Today I have chosen Lenormand cards with the Angel Healing cards. So there are three piles pertaining to each. So the first pile is with the Rose Quartz Angel. The second is with the Tiger's Eye Angel, and the third pile is with the Green Aventurian Angel. So please focus on any one of them and let's see what's there in your destiny or what cards have to say about you. We'll be waiting for 15 seconds, and after that you can choose over a card and we can have a reading. Again, the timestamps are given in the description. If any one of you want to just rush through their card reading, the time spans are given. Thank you. So kindly focus. So now the people, those who have chosen the first angel with the rose quartz angel, that is about self-love, that is about loving others. What is rose quartz about and what is angels about? Angels are there to guide you. Angels are there to content you. Angels are there to protect you, give you divine energy. There are a number of things which angels do. But now we are having the rose quartz angel, which is asking you for a self-love, which is asking you to love yourself, love people nearby, to have a harmonious, have a peaceful things around you, have a peaceful days around you, and have peaceful situations and atmosphere around you. So the first card which we are going to pick is from the angel reading is forgiveness. From the Lenormand card, it is the bear, house, and the clouds. So if I have to display it, it will be clouds, house, and bear. So what is it saying if I have to ask a question whether I'll be able to settle overseas after my education or not? So the first card, which is saying clouds, the clouds often tell you that yes, there is distortion, there is blurred, there are misunderstanding, there is problem, there is dilemma, there is lots of confusion. If I talk about a house, yes, there is a residence, there is a proper roof under which we are there. There is domestic life, there is a hostile life which there is a stable life which we are actually having. Then if we have a bear, we see that we are strong, we are having weight, we are having depth, we are programmed. But in totality, if I say that these three cards have occurred, cloud, house, and bear, so there are some less chances with us that will be actually able to settle overseas. There are chances that somebody from there is no support which are actually we are going to get from anybody. So what the angel healing cards is suggesting is forgiveness is our another card which is coming from the angels card. Forgiveness tells us that by our angels are guiding us to release our anger, irritation. They realize that we have maybe perfectly justified in our feeling angry, yet they ask us to look at the high price you pay for being at the vessel of anger. Forgiveness does not mean that what you did is okay to me. It simply means I'm no longer willing to carry any kind of a resentment or pain around. So this is what the angels are guiding us for the forgiveness card. So the people, those who have chosen the first pile, the answer for them is no, they won't be able to settle overseas. In fact, they have to clear all their blockages, resentments, and anger, irritation, any kind of a negative thoughts which they have. Now if we jump onto if we come onto our second pile, that is the angel with the tiger eye. What is tiger eye doing? Tiger eye usually helps us in store wealth, helps us in grounding. Tiger's eye also is representing our seventh chakra, that is a root chakra. So what does all it provides? It provides us security, it provides us strength. There are a number of things which again tiger's eye is doing. So the blessing card is from the angel of healings of angels. The first card which is coming is lilies, locket and a grave. So if Lenormand cards, if I have to read, I'll be reading grave, lilies and locket. So it is like, what is grave? Grave is like a death, grave is like a transformation, grave is like something has ended. But again, when I come to lilies, there is a hope, there is a harmony, there is a peace, there is a connect, there is something, cherishing. When I see to my another card locket, there is tenderness, there is enjoyment, there is family, there are n number of things again which are being catered by this three cards: grave, lilies and lockets. If I have to read these cards, I will read it like this, that after a transformation, yes, you were there or you would have been settled there, but you have to come out of that place and you'll be going again or reoccurring of the evidence is there, that incidents is there, that transformation of events is there. After once you will be back again, the lilies will blossom and there will be a locket, there will be tenderness, there will be a happiness in your life. Just once your studies are completed, you are there, but things doesn't materialize there, so once you have to come back, and again when you'll go, you'll be settling there forever. The angel card which I am having is the card of the blessing. What does the blessing card say? Blessing card says the angel wants you to know that you are having extra blessings around. Perhaps you have recently experienced some challenges. Maybe you are currently asking for extra help. Yes, of course you have experienced some great challenges like grave or transformation which have occurred. So now you'll be experiencing some blessings. Sometimes God may feel that angels have abandoned you. This card seeks to remind you that they are not gone, they can't leave you. It is only the fear that makes us blind and mute to see the presence of angels and God's nearby. So everything is nearby, everything is within the control, everything is there. So these two things, these two cards or these two piles, there is saying yes, after once transformation is done, the second people, those who have chosen the second pile with the tiger eye, yes, it is there. And the people, those who have chosen the second pile, it is answer to them as yes, after one transformation, once you will be back, but permanently you will be settled. Now coming on to the pile number 3, that is the green Aventurian, angel with the green Aventurian. The angel with the green Aventurian is telling again green, color of harmony, peace, money, wealth, heart chakra. So again, love. The green Aventurian angel is telling us more about harmony, more about prosperity, more about wealth. So if I see towards it, it is a miracle card in the divine healing. It is a bouquet, it is a gentleman, there's a key and a miracle. So if I have to read my Lenormand cards, individually if I read them, the bouquet is again the card of joy, a celebration. We are giving it to somebody or we are receiving it with the joy. There is a gentleman, there is a male figure, male young man, who perfectly looks like very poised young man. And another card, it is a key. The key could be a solution to the problem, threshold, openings, doorways, their destiny. There are so many things which are actually related to the key if we talk about. So miracles is the final card. So if I have to read it, I will be reading it like that. With the support of a gentleman, blessings are coming in your life and you are getting a number of solutions to your problems. Yes, you will be staying overseas with the help of a gentleman or a help of a people over there or help of some support which you are already having, you will be staying there, and the solutions or the results for you will be in the shape of celebrations and blessings. If I have to read this miracle cards, definitely all of us know that what does miracle mean. Miracle means some kind of a magical thing which is happening, some kind of things which actually happen but we are not able to sing. This is the way of angels telling us to expect miracles. Perhaps you feel that you need one now because you can't see any other way to a solution. Be open to allowing God to help you to resolve your challenges, ways that will surprise you. So, miracles are occurring all around you right now. Begin to notice them, and you will experience even more miracles. So, this is about the miracle card. So, definitely, the people, those who have chosen third pile, the answer for them is yes. Again, in the conclusion, I'll tell you first pile is no. There are very less chances of you settling in overseas after your studies have been completed. In the second pile, yes, there are chances, but once you have to come back and again you'll go, there will be some kind of a transformation in your life that after that you'll be settling overseas. In the third pile, of course, with the study moment, you'll be staying in overseas only, and there will be a support provided to you which will help you to retain there. So, bye to everybody. Stay safe. This is Chandni Mahajan from Celestial Energy. If any one of you want me to make another video pertaining to any query of yours, please mention that in feedback box or a comment section in my YouTube video channel so that I can work over that. Any question pertaining to our consultancies are chargeable, so you can contact us, but with these videos nothing is being charged, so you can feel free to ask us. Thank you everybody. Feel free, stay safe, stay more lovable, and thank you everybody for watching my videos. Thank you. God bless.